Hi, and welcome back to Elements of Food. Today we'll be making keto cheesecake for your holiday cravings. Start with a 6-cup jumbo muffin pan. In each cup, place 2 tablespoons of almond flour, 1 tablespoon of butter, 1 teaspoon of baking Splenda, and a dash of cinnamon. Mix all together and press firmly with an edge. Bake at 350 for 5 minutes and let it rest. And now for the filling. In a bowl or a mixer, add 12 ounces of cream cheese, 1 egg, quarter cup of almond milk, half teaspoon of vanilla pure, juice of 1 key lime, and Splenda to taste. I used half a cup. Make sure to soften your cream cheese so you don't have any lumps. Spray the pan to avoid sticking before pouring your filling. Give it a quick tap and bake at 350 for 15 minutes on the top shelf. Let it chill out in the fridge until it's cool and firm. Carefully run some warm water on the back of the pan for easy removal. And here is a special treat, Marionberry drizzle. In a cup, add quarter cup of Marionberries, Splenda to taste, and 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Heat in the microwave until mashable. Pour over your cold cheesecake and enjoy. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye for now.